Hello guys, I just realized that I was muted the whole time. Welcome again. So yeah, where was I? Oh yeah, I was saying that now we have to figure out how we can integrate a gRPC stream into Angular. I think I found a video for it, and I was watching that video, and yeah, let's hope that I don't get copyright stricken by that. Yeah, gRPC Angular. This one, yeah.
Hey everyone, today I wanted to give you a sneak peek into a brand new exclusive members
Wow.
only lecture that I've just released on my site. So, in this lecture, we actually connect a Nest.js backend
I have
built
not
on
connected it. Why are
gRPC to an
things?
Angular UI to implement CRUD functionality and stream real time data using persistent HTTP2 connections. This is a really exciting lecture, and I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek in this
Yeah, I
video.
was
So,
doing
if you
10
like
tasks for
this
the first
video
30
and you want to
seconds
learn
and yeah.
more, feel free to go to my site, michaelguay.dev, where you can learn more and sign up. So, once you
I
sign
still can't hear anything. Let me
a
just.
member,
Yeah.
you'll be able to access this lectures page where you can see all of the lectures. In the future, we're going to be adding tons of exclusive members or links that have signed to you right away. So thanks everyone inside of an Angular application. So we're going to connect this Angular application to our Nest.js backend, which is going to be running a gRPC server. We're going to be able to send requests from our Angular UI to this gRPC server and use the same exact protobuf definitions between the backend and UI. So our code is going to be extremely type safe. So I'm going to show you how we can execute CRUD-like behavior using this gRPC API. And I'm going to also show you how we can stream data to the client over gRPC. So I'm going to be able to go in and enter in a item and enter in the quantity for it and click on create. And as soon as we do, we're going to get back the item. And this is because we're actually streaming a gRPC stream to our backend. So whenever a
I
new
do.
item is added to our server, our gRPC API is going to emit that event to our listeners on the UI here. So we actually
Yeah, that makes sense. Let's skip to the part where he implements that. Does he have? No, he does not. Well, I follow this guy since I'm pretty much picking up his content.
actually see all of the items we create in real time. So we can see this if we open up another browser tab. So I have two separate instances of the app and two separate gRPC fonts. Create a new item, like subscribing to this stream and create it. We see it. So let's see back lecture to go pm install latest to install the latest version of new. And I'm going to go ahead and call this gRPC nest angular. Go ahead and call it whatever you would like. I'm going to use the pnpm package manager, and let's let the package go ahead and set up and install our dependencies. So next, let's cd into our folder, and now we're inside of our folder. Let's go ahead and add the dependencies that we know we're going to need to actually work with a gRPC server. So pnpm install save, we're going to want at grpc slash grpc dash js. We're going to want grp pnpm package new js slash CLI at latest to install the latest version of the CLI. Go ahead and call it whatever you would like. We're going to go ahead and npm package manager, and let's let the package go and add the dependencies that we know we're going to need. So this is going to let us add these, and I want to add ts proto, which we're going to use to actually install save dev to install some development buff dependencies, and I want to add ts proto to actually interpret our service. Our app is running fine. All right, so now in VS Code we have our standard Nest.js application architecture with our main TS file, which that simply service. We can get rid of our main TS file. So right now we're simply exposing an HTTP server. I want to also make sure we are actually listening for requests on our gRPC server. So we can do this very easily with Nest.js. Firstly, we'll call app.a Nest.js selected. So now package name. In our case, we know that this name is going to be items to represent our items service, which is what our gRPC service is.
I let me just promote my stream. I forgot to do that. I'll just skip that part for now, I guess. Yeah, I don't know how this guy is comprehending any of this. I have worked with Nest.js, but like Nest has I worked for it like a week. I worked with Nest.js and I totally don't remember any of it.
This is going to be, it's just going to be simple
And we
CRUD
don't
and
even need
streaming,
Nest.js.
which is all this controller
Through mail? Two viewers. Yeah. Two viewers. Yeah. Okay.
items we'll use to actually
Okay, yeah, this would be. I think yeah, this would be better for you guys. Yeah, so this is our Angular structure currently.
implement our
Let's just
business
see
logic of
when it gets.
maintaining these items. So we have the items module that's referencing the controller and module. So now code a path product. Next to do, we're going to server and server that we only going to, and then for we syntax via specify and that we implement is item to do item request. So in our case, we're going to have two prop item that we've already in here. We'll set to proto files. So I want to go to our package.json now and develop a command that we can run to actually generate this TypeScript code, and we can include this to run every time we so that our gRPC in our proto, so this is type safe, do the same thing for on these items. All right, so the first thing I want to do in the item service is actually maintain the state, read everything else on the incoming create item request to dot item subject dot as observable. So
Where
it's
is
going to
he
go ahead
use? Where is this guy using Angular? I thought I finally found a video where someone was trying to explain it, but no, he is in the nest. Oh, he is maybe monorepoing it. Yeah, he's most probably monorepoing this shit. Ah, well, I do. Should I watch the whole video on stream? I don't think that's a good idea. Is that a good idea? Sorry, that was a water break. Not that kind of water break, I guess. It's see, he has files like items.proto and shit like that. But I don't know if that is required in Nest.js only or like Angular also needs it. Like, how the fuck am I gonna understand this shit? Okay, npm install contains our proto files. I have created a directory named protos and copied stream.proto file into it. Where is the stream.proto file? Wait. Okay, ts protogen. Okay, and wait, npm I ts. Wait, it was saved, right? Hyphen save. Protogen, yeah. I don't think I have it installed. Yeah, okay. Okay. Package is added. What the? Why is there so many warnings? Anyways, I wanna see who is my another viewer. Who is lurking around, or is it just me? My another. See there are. Okay, let me check participants. See, it's only me. Then why are there two? Why does it show there are two people joined when there is just me? This is shit. Who the fuck is tagging me? Okay, let me try this. Hello,
What?
are you playing
Who said hello?
Scribble? Are you playing Scribble?
Yeah, we are.
Okay, where's the
Beyond
link?
what?
Where's the link?
It's on my stream, on my stream.
So I have to promote your stream on my stream.
Ah! Oh my god.
So
What do
much
you keep
exposure you are
doing,
getting.
man? You can't
What do
job ही
you
नहीं
keep
किया है
doing,
उसने.
man? You can't.
Cheating है ये. कल्लू. Hitchhiker. Hitchhiker is better, no? ऐसे पहाड़ बना देता. And गाड़ी चल रही है उसमें. Ah, 4 वर्ड्स का क्यों ये? स्टाइलो ड्रॉ कर रहा है ऑफ कोर्स. कैसी ड्राइंग है भाई ये? अच्छी वर्ड्स नहीं थे. हाँ समझ गई मैं. कोई नहीं. तीसरा वर्ड कौन सा था आखिर? मामा मिया. मामा मिया. मेरे भी अच्छे वर्ड्स नहीं थे. मुर्गा ने क्या बनाया था? कुछ तगड़ा चाहिए था मुझे. आएगा यार आएगा. क्या पता डिक्शनरी को भी नहीं पता होगा. ओके लास्ट राउंड है ना ये सालो? देखो ठूस रहा है कुछ, क्या खा रहा है तो?
हाँ
खा जाओ। हैंड की जगह आम दिखा रहा है भाई, वो तो चलो 4 वर्ड्स था इसलिए 4 लेटर्स था इसलिए पता था। ये क्या है? कौन बना रहा है ये दृश्य? ऑफ कोर्स, ऑफ कोर्स। बाजू? बाजू? व्हाट?
ओ माय गॉड
व्हाट? ऐसे है। डी जी दिखा रहा है उसमें, तो उसमें बी लिखा है। ने व्हाट? व्हाट?
चैट में है।
नहीं, ये थोड़ी है। व्हाट? यूं नहीं आता है नो। कलर में जैसे यूं नहीं आता है वैसे ही नेबरहुड में, नेबर में यूं नहीं आता है। ये तक चैट में लिखा है। कैम है इंग्लिश में, रियल भाई कुछ भी चलता रहता है इंग्लिश में। व्हाट? रेड? रेड लीफ? रो रो और कुछ।
I'm trying.
व्हाट? व्हाट?
ओ
व्हाट? भाई स्टाइलो यार, स्टाइलो चीटिंग करता है मुझे पता है।
बूम बूम डडुम धड़ाम।
धूम धड़म धड़म धड़म।
Exactly. 9/11 is my hint.
व्हाट? मुझे नहीं आता
Oh,
है, मुझे नहीं खेलना है ये गेम, घटिया गेम है।
someone is so close.
एक्सप्लोजन? क्या? नहीं नहीं नहीं, एक मिनट, क्या होता था वो? एक्सप्लोड?
इससे अच्छा मैं क्या कर सकता था?
आई डोंट नो मैन। इजी, अच्छा ठीक है आर्केन, ठीक है, कोई नहीं। अब एलन की ड्राइंग। ओए ये क्या हुआ?
I think
उसकी
he
याद आ गई।
left.
सामने तो
Alan
एक्सप्लोडिंग हेड
left the
लिख रहा
room.
है। हाय सनी भैया। यार खत्म हो गया, लास्ट राउंड है, हम लोग मैक्सी का वेट कर रहे थे तो इसलिए हमने ये लगा दिया। व्हाट? 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 वही कुछ कुछ तो हो रहा है, कुछ कुछ तो हो रहा है, कुछ कुछ तो हो रहा है। वाओ, गुड ड्राइंग।
Wow.
गुड ड्राइंग।
बड़े लोग.
बड़े लोग खेलते हैं। So real. This one is a nice drawing, man. है ना? For real way. अरे यार, you're like 5
Sun,
minutes late. सनी भैया 5 minutes late हो आप।
Sunny Bhaiya disliked the drawing.
सनी भैया आकर। नाइस ड्राइंग। अब मेरे पे आने वाला है क्या? मुझे नहीं करना। थैंक गॉड। ओए ये क्या है? हम्म कैसे कैसे how are you guys getting this?
It is pretty obvious, like by this point.
No way. मैंने सोचा था लेकिन मुझे लगा नहीं होगा यार, स्क्रिबल क्यों देगा ये? स्क्रिबल एंग्री वर्ड क्यों दे रहा है? Today was the worst day of my life यार. Oh no, what happened? Hello, क्या हुआ? काल काल अरे यार ये तो हो नहीं रहा. रुको रुको रुको. हाँ देख स्टाइलो.
ये क्या है?
ए भी स्पेस क्यों देगा स्क्रिबल वर्ड?
I don't know, यार.
शांति लेफ्ट. गाइस, एयरप्लेन कर रहा है. दिस इज तो वेरी ऑब्वियस. कैसे नहीं आया तुम लोगों को? स्टाइलो ने तो चीटिंग करी थी. हाँ भाई स्टाइलो चीटिंग करता है. चीट है कॉक. लेकिन मुर्गू जीत रहा है इस बार. क्या मारो इसे पकड़ के. आर के जॉकर.
Why are you disliking the drawing already?
ऐसे में क्या हो रहा है? ये क्या हो रहा है? ये क्या हो रहा है? कुछ कुछ तो हो रहा है. कुछ कुछ तो हो रहा है.
कुछ तो हुआ है.
कुछ हो गया है. It's not even one thing. एक के बाद एक चीज हुआ. I'm just tired of. ए यो ऐसे क्या हुआ? Are you okay? चिड़िया के स्टाइलो भाई. स्टाइलो भाई को what? चिड़िया के पंख. चिड़िया के पंख. चिड़िया के पंख. आर्केन what? Oh. Thanks Arcane.
Miss,
I'm so bad at this game भाई. ये खत्म क्यों नहीं हो रहा है राउंड 2? नो वे भाई.
विमल है क्या?
ब्लूस ब्लूस यू.
अरे यार.
नाक बनाई है भाई उसने. मुझे लगा मुंह से कुछ आ रहा है ना यार. इसलिए आपको ऑनलाइन देखा आगे की स्ट्रीम देख के फ्रेश हो जाएगा मूड. आई होप यू फील बेटर. इफ यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इट
अजय
तो
देवगन.
फील फ्री टू. अजय देवगन.
अर्केन भाई ने लिखा है.
भाई नाक से तूफान निकल रहा है. एग्जाम मुर्गो जीत गया. लेट्स गो. देख रहा है
मैं तो बाद में
हेलो.
आया, फिर भी
बिना चीटिंग
उनसे
करे
आगे
हुए
कैसे
भी
हूँ?
जीत सकते हैं. बिना चीटिंग करे भी जीत सकते हैं. नाउ यू नो दिस. स्किल इशू. आई नो. आई नो. मैक्सी हेलो. मैक्सी 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 मैक्सी. चलो ठीक है गाइस. I'm leaving VC. फिर से खेलते हैं थोड़ी देर में स्क्रिबल.
Okay, guys, come
बाय
to my
बाय.
stream. I am streaming right now. Please do. I have no viewers. Bye bye. ना ना ना. नहीं बंदा. I forgot I wasn't just chilling. I am actually streaming. With 0 viewers as it is, but I am streaming. I might have 0 viewers, but I am still streaming. What were we doing? I forgot. Okay, let's check out Maxi's stream. If she is live. I don't think she is. Uh, she is not live. Uh, what are we gonna do? You know what? Let's try something new. Let's try and play. Let's try and play Need for Speed. Because why not? Yeah. Changes saved. Wait. यहाँ भी सब कुछ बंद करने दो. Can you guys hear me? You guys hear me fine, right? I'm guessing you guys can hear me. Okay, I'm assuming that you guys are listening to me fine. Let's change the car to my favorite if I unlocked it. which I am gonna be. Oh, yeah, I have unlocked it. Yeah, we are gonna have fun, baby.
Copy that. Advise the suspect details. Additional units will be assigned.
Is my stream lagging for you guys?
Dispatch to all units in Code 3. Supervisor is suspended search. Return to duty.
Never mind, I don't think we can play Need for Speed. We will sadly have to change our title back. Let's get back to where we were. Why the ये नहीं चाहिए मुझे कोई बात नहीं where were we? Yeah, GRPC with Angular. Yeah, let's see if we can make some sense with GRPC and Angular. We have I gotta understand GRPC web first of all. ये होता क्या है क्योंकि अगर मुझे ये मेरे प्रोजेक्ट में यूज़ करना है तो मुझे समझना पड़ेगा कि ये क्या है. Modern browsers still do not fully support HTTP2 protocol. There are no browser APIs with enough control over requests yet. So gRPC Web from Google is a standardized plugin that solves this problem and makes gRPC usable in today's browser. gRPC Web brings many of our gRPC great features to current browser and apps. Like, like, brother, type your small binary messages, strongly tabbed, code generated clients, compact protobuf. What the fuck is protobuf? I have been reading that for the past 2 hours. Like protobuf. I still don't know what protobuf is. That explains why I don't have a job. It's our streaming. Okay, protocol buffers. By default, gRPC uses protocol buffers. As its interface description language, Google originally developed protobuf for internal use, but has subsequently provided code generators for multiple language under an open source license. Wait, what? By default, gRPC uses protocol buffers as its interface description language. What? What is protocol buffers? Google originally developed protobuf for internal use, but has subsequently provided code generators for multiple languages under an open source license. Using a cross-platform interface definition language, developers define a service contract for each microservice. It provides platform-neutral serialization format for messages that services send to each other. Each message is serialized as a standard protocol representation and exchange between the client and remote service, unlike JSON or XML. I still did not get that. Using a cross-platform interface definition language, developers define a service contract for each microservice. It provides a platform-neutral serialization format for messages that services send to each other. Each message is serialized as a standard protobuf representation and exchange between the clients and remote service. Unlike JSON or XML, protobuf messages are serialized as compiled binary bytes. Okay. Okay. Let's learn what is protocol buffers, guys, because that is what's on the table today. Wait, Valorant is somehow tagged on my stream. Let me fix that real quick. Yeah, random suits better. Anyway, so protocol buffers. What are we gonna do with the protocol buffers? Let's check protocol buffers out. Give me a second. Sorry guys. I don't know why I'm sneezing like that. Holy shit. Uh-huh. My nose is messed up. Protocol buffers are a language neutral, platform neutral, extensible mechanism for serializing structured data. It's like JSON, except it's smaller and faster, and it generates native language bindings. You define how you want your data to be structured once. You define how you want your data to be structured once. Then you can use special generated source code to easily write and read your structured data to from a variety of data stream and using a variety of languages. Nice. Protocol buffers are a combination of the definition language created in protofiles. The language, the code that the protocompiler generates with to interface with data. Language specific runtime. Okay, let me start over. Protocol buffers are a combination of the definition language. Hmm. Protocol buffers are a combination of the definition language, the code that the protocompilers generate to interface with data, language specific runtime libraries, the serialization format for data that is written to a file or sent across a network connection, and the serialized data. Holy shit. What problems do protocol buffers solve? Protocol buffers provide a serialization format for packet of typed structured data. Can I multi-stream? I'm just realizing that now. Never mind. Never mind. I think this is better. Right. My voice is fine, I think, right? Yeah, okay. Let's get back to the protocol buffers. Protocol buffers provide a serialization format for packets of typed structured data that are up to a few megabytes in size. The format is suitable for both ephemeral, ephemeral network traffic and long-term data storage. Protocol buffers can be extended with new information without invalidating existing data or requiring code to be updated. Protocol buffers are the most commonly used data format at Google. They are most commonly used data format in Google. They are used extensively in inter-server communication as well as for archival storage of data on disk. Protocol buffer messages and services are described by engineer authored.proto files. The following shows an example message. Edition 2023 message person. Name equals to 1, ID equals to 3, email equals to 3. Wait, what did I do? Addition 2023 message person string name in 32 ID string email. What is this equals to 1, 2, and 3? The proto compiler is invoked at build time on proto files to generate code in various programming languages. Covered in cross language compatibility later in this topic. Why does Google have to make everything so weird? And why do they not provide good fucking documentation for it? I have struggled for years and I do not get how Google gets by it. Like, it is just surprising to me how Google gets away with this shit. Because, like, the amount of time I needed something from Google, like, Google provides good services. Like, No complaints there. Firebreeze, great shit. Love it. You literally love it. I have used it so much. But its documentation, it's so shit. Like, it is embarrassing. For it should be embarrassing for Google to have that bad documentation for so many stuff. Mm, But I misclicked. Should I or should I not end this stream? I should not. Maxi is live. I will not gain any knowledge from protocol buffer, it seems. I'm hungry. Give me a second. I'll grab a bite.